I asked Claude which jobs AI agents take first. Number 1, you've already talked to it. Stay till the end. Number 5, data entry. An agent reads the form, types every field, and never blinks. The most routine desk job goes first. Number 4, bookkeeping. It reconciles the books and closes the month in minutes, not days. Number 3, sales outreach. One agent writes, sends, and follows up with 1,000 leads a day. Number 2, content writing. The SEO content farm, one agent, 50 a day for pennies. Here's what the headlines miss. Agents replace tasks, not titles. The messy 20% still needs a human. The job doesn't vanish, it becomes running the agent. And number 1, customer support. That last chat you thought was a person? Tier 1 is already an agent. You met the replacement and rated it 5 stars. Claude ranked all 5 and wrote why. The full breakdown's free below.